Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make jerk chicken wings, our Caribbean jerk chicken wings. So please stick around and watch this video. So you're gonna need at least 7 to 8 chicken wings. I'm using 7, and you can use as much as you want. You just double the ingredients if you're gonna use more. I'm using 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. I'm using 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and I'm also gonna use some paprika seasoning. And you wanna also have some jerk spice, some Jamaican jerk spice. This jerk spice consists of salt and sugar. See, these are the ingredients: pimento, black pepper, you got some crushed pepper in there, and onion flakes and stuff like that, and some dry thyme. This is awesome season to use on your jerk chicken. And you want to use some jerk seasoning now. And now this is a wet rub, and this is awesome to use on jerk chicken. So this is gonna make everything come together and taste so nice. So guys, these are the ingredients. First, before cooking the chicken wings, you want to wash and pick out some excessive feathers off the wings. You don't want to cook this with lots of feather. You don't want to eat feather on your wings, so you just want to wash it with some vinegar and lime, or just wash it under the pipe and take off some of the excessive feather, because you know the wings have lots of feather in there. So just wash them and take off those. And with washing now, after you wash them, you just want to season it. And I'm going to use all the ground ginger on. I'm just going to add the ground ginger on like this. I'm going to add the garlic powder. And I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of this seasoning. And you can find the seasoning on Amazon. BetaPac Jamaican jerk spice. We in Jamaica, we call it jerk seasoning. Just jerk seasoning. So I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of this on the wings. Now for this now I'm gonna use about 4 tablespoons. And this one is the mild one. You got hot and spicy, and I'm using the mild. So if you like it real spicy, you can use the hot and spicy one. So now I'm just gonna massage this into the chicken. We're gonna combine everything together so all the chicken wings is seasoning and nice. This is smelling so awesome. Like guys, I'm telling you, man, it's smelling ready to heat. Smelling good. I love that jerk seasoning. You just want to rub everything together. You can use a gloves, or you can use spoon if you don't want to get your hands all messy. You just want to rub everything together. And now I'm just going to add the paprika seasoning to give it some color. When it jerk, you want a nice appealing color. So I'm just going to add the paprika onto the chicken like this. And I'm using about a tablespoon too. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and massage this. And you can go ahead and just put this into the oven to bake. But I'm just gonna leave it for at least half an hour to marinate for a while, and then we'll be back. So I'm just gonna leave this to marinate. Chicken wings has been marinating for 30 minutes now, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and preheat my oven to 375 degrees. And now I'm just gonna add the chicken to the baking dish like this. I'm gonna add the chicken wings. You're just gonna put this to bake or roast for hour and 15 minutes or maybe an hour, depending on your stove. So you're just gonna pop this into the oven, and this is how it looks, guys, before it go into the oven, all seasoned down to the bone. This is gonna come out so delicious. It has been half an hour since these chicken wings have been into the oven, and now I'm just gonna make a sauce for them and to put on them. I'm gonna use about half tablespoon of this. Gonna use about half of the jerk seasoning, just a little bit, and I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of ketchup. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and I'm gonna add about 2 drops of water, and I'm just gonna mix this together. Mixing these together. This part is totally optional for jerk chicken, totally. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna brush this on both sides. I'm gonna flip this over. This is gonna give a chicken a nice color again and some juiciness to it. I'm gonna brush this on both sides and flip over. See? So they have about half an hour more into the oven, or 45 minutes leave. When it reaches down to the last 15 minutes, I'm just gonna put the oven and broil and let it get some niceness to it. The broil gonna give it a nice color. Okay. See, nice. I'm just gonna put it back into the oven. And there you have it, guys, my jerk chicken wings. A hour and 15 minutes into the oven, and this is how I make my jerk chicken wings. If you enjoy watching this video, please like this video and subscribe if you're a new viewer, and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my juicy jerk chicken wings. Look at these, beautiful color, and they're still juicy. And this is how I make my jerk chicken wings. It's a bit hot, but I'm gonna dig into it right now. So hot. Ooh. See, very juicy. Very juicy. Now I'm gonna dig into it. So flavorful, not too hot, and as I said before, it's flavored down to the bone, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video. Yum.